mother. No, I'm mad at your mother because she did not continue with the words.
That's a lie. Why would you tell somebody that
Oh,
doesn't
you
know
didn't say
the
that?
right?
I'm sorry. Go ahead. Tell that story. I'm gonna let you tell the story. Can you just tell the
Lisa
story?
Bree. There's two sides to every story.
Didn't we specifically ask you? I can't do it. I can't do it. Not every time we come.
You know, it's just the first day.
Really? No.
It's just the first day.
No.
Oh my god, these are the melting mints.
Yep.
Oh, I'm so sorry, I forgot.
The one
It's okay.
No, it's just that when I put it out, I can split it up.
Oh.
That's our old system.
So okay. So can you swipe 4 different cards?
Yeah.
I have cash.
Oh, you have cash? Okay. Okay. Thank you.
I don't. What was my butt?
I don't know what the hell just happened. That man said once he prints it out, he cannot. Go ahead and fix it. They don't listen in this hotel.
No, Freda's hotel is just in the way. Every time we go out, we're like, yo, we're gonna have 4 separate checks. That's 4 different checks. Oh, I got it. Here's your bill. $152. Ma'am.
It's 91.
Man. No, I'm just saying that's how they. What?
It's 91.